Hi all, in this video we will see what is the difference between web application and web services. Before discussing about the differences of web services and web application, first we will see by using the Java how many types of applications we can do. Okay, by using Java we can do standalone applications, we can do web applications. Okay, what is the meaning of standalone applications? The meaning itself, the standalone is like it's a independence. The standalone applications we can, it's the application, it will run in the single computer, it will serve for the same computer. Like for example, we can say the examples of standalone applications are antivirus or Microsoft, like MS Office. This we can install in the same application, it will serve for the same application, same system. Now by using the Java we can create web applications. Okay, how the web applications are differ from the standalone application. These web applications we can install in one mission, it will serve for multiple missions. Like for example, if we install in one application, one system, it will serve for multiple multiple systems. How different systems are interconnected? By using network or internet. In web applications we can, these are the server computer, this we can as a client. We have the multiple clients and one server. The entire application it is stored in the server system. If client send any request to the server give the response for that, for client request. This way web applications it will work. In web application also we can create two types of web applications: static web application, web applications are dynamic web applications. Then what is the difference between static and dynamic web application? In static web applications means like the university website, www. some JNTU university, like that. If you search for that, if any person click on that website, the data won't be changed, the data won't change. These static applications we can create by using HTML, CSS, JavaScript. In this static web application the data won't be changed. Like for example, we can say www.jntu.com. is there or not, I'm not sure. Start jntu.ac.in. This is the static web application. If anyone open this application, they will see same content. The content won't be changed here. then if I am opening this URL, I am seeing this. If you are opening this URL, you will see the same content. There is no difference. Then the other one is the dynamic web application. The dynamic web application is the best examples are every day we are using the Facebook and Gmails. For your login, the content is different. For my login, the content is different. This how it is differing based on the logins. If I am logging into my Facebook application, entirely I will see the content related mine only. This is changing dynamically. This we call as a dynamic web application. Dynamic web applications we can create by using JavaScript, JSPs, servlets, and remaining multiple technologies we can use for creating the dynamic web applications. In dynamic web applications, again we have two types. We can call it as dynamic or web applications, and one more thing is the web services. Now we will see what is the difference between dynamic and dynamic/web applications and or web services. Okay, till now we will see what is the we will see the difference. We will see which applications we can create by using the Java. Now we will see what is the difference, exact difference between dynamic web applications or web services. Now, just now we discussed dynamic applications. We have client server network like this. In web applications, we have client and server. Okay, what is the server? Server is the one big system where this entire, like Java related this application, it is stored in one place, like Java application. What it will do, if any person will send request, it will return as a response. If you send any request, it will send response back to you. What it will do, if you send any request, it will give response. Okay, now who is the client? We know the server. Server is the like we can say it is a Tomcat or JBoss. It is the system where the entire application, Java application, it located in one place. We can call it as a server. In Java application, which all are the contents we have? We may have JSP, servlets. Modern applications are using Spring frameworks or struts frameworks. Like this, these are. Who is the client? In web application, who is the client? Client is the like browser. Browsers, example, Chrome browser, Safari, Internet Explorer. Like these all are the browsers. How we will send the request to the server? For example, like www.facebook.com. Like we will hit the server. This is the way we are sending the request to the server. Like for example, www.facebook.com. See, in this tab nothing is there. Simply I am typing www.facebook.com. When I am clicking enter, it will send the request to the server. What it is displayed? It is displayed one website, one page. As a response, I am seeing one page. What server will give the response? It will give the response as a HTML or JSP. Like it should be like colorful, or it's a organized way. It will return. The conclusion is, in web application we have the client and server. Who is the client? Client is the browser, and server is the like one place, like Tomcat or JBoss. We will send the request as a URL. We will get the response as HTML or JSP. The same way we will see for web services. In web services, the server is the same. Now here the difference is, the client is the Java application. This Java application send a request to the server, like previously what we see, like www.facebook.com, like this only. By using the URL only, the client will send the request to the server. But in web application, it will give response as a XML or JSON. Here who is the client? Here client is the Java application. Okay, Java application send the request to the server by using that URL. The server give the response to the client as XML or JSON. Okay, who is the end client here? Again, browser is the end client. Okay, browser sends request to the client request to the server. How browser is request to the client? By using the URL. Client request to the server by using the URL only. Server responds to the client as a JSON or XML. Client read this JSON or XML and it will convert as a colorful web page. The client give the response to the browser as HTML or JSP. Now this is clear.